Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Portal on Android. First, confirm your device has a powerful enough processor and sufficient RAM for smooth gameplay. You'll need to acquire the game's data files, typically from a PC version, and a specific Android port of the source engine. Make sure you have at least 2 GB of free storage on your phone or tablet before proceeding with any downloads. This preparation is crucial for a successful installation. Once you have both the game data and the engine port application, transfer the Portal game files to your Android device. Connect your device to a computer and copy the game's Portal folder into a designated directory, usually within the installed engine port's main folder. Next, install the source engine port application you downloaded. Open the app to ensure it recognizes the game files you just transferred. Now that the game is installed, it's time to configure your settings for the best experience. Dive into the in-game options to tweak graphics, perhaps lowering some settings if you notice any lag. Consider connecting a Bluetooth controller for more precise movement and aiming, as touch controls can sometimes be challenging. You can also adjust the display resolution to balance visual fidelity with smooth frame rates. If you encounter any issues, like crashes or graphical glitches, don't worry. Many online communities and forums offer solutions for common problems. Always ensure your Android operating system is updated to its latest version, as this can often resolve compatibility issues. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Now, you're all set to enjoy the classic puzzle platforming adventure of Portal on your Android device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.